Dear friends, today also we bring some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 25 stocks including Tata Investment, Indian Oil Corporation, Castrol, Ultratech Cement, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Tata Investment Corporation Limited, Tata Invest. Share is trading around rupees 6,262. Company announced a dividend of rupees 27 per share. Record date for the dividend yet to be announced by Tata Investment Corporation. Rajasthan Tube Manufacturing Company Limited. Share is trading around rupees 256. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 100 shares of Rajasthan Tube Manufacturing Company, your 100 shares convert to 1000 shares. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 8th May 2025. Castrol India Limited, Castrol Int, current market price rupees 208. Castrol India announced a board meeting on 28th April 2025. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q4. Anand Rathi Wealth Limited, current market price rupees 1783. Anand Rathi announced a dividend of rupees 7 per share. Record date for the dividend yet to be announced by Anand Rathi Wealth. Tata Consultancy Services Limited, TCS. Share is trading around rupees 3,412. TCS announced a dividend of rupees 30 per share. Record date for the dividend yet to be announced by Tata Consultancy Services. Collab Platforms Limited. Current market price rupees 125. Collab Platforms announced the stock split in the ratio 1:2. That means if you have 100 shares of Collab Platforms, your 100 shares convert to 200 shares. Record date for the stock split yet to be announced by Collab Platforms. Indian Oil Corporation Limited, IOC. Share is trading around rupees 138. Company announced a board meeting on 30th April 2025. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q4. CEAT Limited, current market price rupees 3027. CEAT also announced a board meeting on 29th April. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q4. Ultratech Cement Limited, current market price rupees 11,948. Ultratech Cement announced a board meeting on 28th April to declare dividend and to announce audited financial results. Maruti Suzuki Limited, Maruti, current market price rupees 11,900. Maruti Suzuki also announced a board meeting on 25th April 2025. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q4. L&T Finance Limited, LTF, current market price rupees 180. Company announced a board meeting on 25th April 2025. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q4. Nippon Life AMC India, NAM India, current market price rupees 671. NAM India announced the board meeting on 28th April 2025. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q4. Muthoot Finance Limited, Muthoot Fin, current market price rupees 2,193. Muthoot Finance announced a dividend of rupees 26 per share. 25th April is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Mahindra Logistics Limited, MALOG, current market price rupees 330. Company announced a dividend of rupees 2.5 per share. Ex-date and record date for the dividend yet to be announced by Mahindra Logistics. Shilchar Technologies Limited, current market price rupees 7,042. Shilchar Technologies announced a dividend of rupees 12.5 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Shilchar Technologies. Naukar Urban Structure Limited, Naukar URB, current market price rupees 14. Company announced bonus in the ratio 3:2. That means if you have 200 shares of Naukar Urban Structure, you will get 300 bonus shares as free. So total you will have 500 shares. Ex-date and record date for the bonus is fixed as 24th April 2025. AMI Organics Limited, AMI Org, current market price rupees 2202. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. Ex date and record date is fixed as 25th April 2025. PT Engineering Limited, PT Inc., current market price rupees 990. Company announced a dividend of rupees 1.5 per share. Record date for the dividend yet to be announced by PT Engineering. Rajrathan Global Wire Limited, current market price rupees 442. Rajrathan Global Wire announced dividend rupees 2 per share. Record date for the dividend yet to be announced by Rajrathan Global Wire. Vesuvius India Limited, current market price rupees 4694. Vesuvius India announced dividend of rupees 14.5 per share. Record date for the dividend is fixed as 1st May 2025. KSB Limited, current market price rupees 763. Company announced a dividend of rupees 4 per share. 2nd May is fixed as the record date for the dividend. Info Edge India Limited, Naukri, current price rupees 7074. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 7th May 2025. Orient Cement Limited, Orient Cem, current market price rupees 355. Company announced a dividend of 50 paise per share. Record date for the dividend yet to be announced by Orient Cement. Shanghai Industries Limited, current price rupees 73. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 9th May 2025. ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company Limited, current price rupees 1879. Company announced a dividend of rupees 7 per share. Record date for the dividend is yet to be announced by ICICI Lombard. SBC Export Limited, current price rupees 13.5. This company also announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. 10th May is fixed as the ex date and record date for the stock split. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and